It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kara, and if you're new here, you are most definitely welcome, and if you're an old Sabi, thank you so much for the support. Alright, let's get right into the video. So I decided to do knotless box braids because I'm obsessed with them and they look so cute. So I thought, why not attempt to do them on my own head? It was not easy, guys. It really wasn't easy. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna section my hair into 3 parts. That will kind of help me on how I'm going to be doing my parting. Getting those lines straight was not easy, but I will say I had some help. So I used expression braiding hair. You see 3 packs, but I ended up using about 4. So this first braid, I'm kind of just gonna let you see what I was doing. I'm not really gonna explain it, but then the next clip I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna tell you guys what I actually did while showing you. Okay, so let me explain what's going on in the background with the washing basket. So I don't have those fancy things that you section your hair off with. So I always tell you guys I use what I have. So I used my washing basket, and that's how I sectioned off my hair. Like I mentioned earlier on, I ended up using more than 3 packs. I used 3.5 packs of the expression braiding hair, which I cut in half and then pulled the ends so that I don't have that blunt cut at the end. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some gel and I'm gonna add that to my hair. It kind of helps with the grip as well as making sure the hair looks slick and polished and beautiful. So I'm gonna start the braid with my own hair, and I'm just gonna braid once, then I'm gonna start adding hair, and you're gonna need to make sure that the hair that you're adding is not too thick unless you're doing jumbo knotless braids, but I am not. I'm doing the small kind. So you see, add the hair, then braid, add the hair, and then braid. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until I feel my braid is thick enough. I only added hair three to 4 times depending on how the braid felt. So for those who don't know what knotless braids are simply braids that do not have the knot, which is made with the braiding hair at the beginning or at the roots. This really helps protect your hair. It protects your edges, it protects the hair close to your scalp from being pulled, because you know when you're braiding your hair, people are always like, they pull your hair so much that it hurts and you cannot style your hair. But with knotless box braids, you can immediately pull your hair up in a bun. I'll show you that later on, and it is not painful at all. So yeah, I think I love these braids. I really do, though they're really time consuming, but definitely worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys again. So we're gonna start by braiding your own hair, and then slowly add in the hair extension. So you're gonna add, braid, add, braid, and then add then add hair, and then braid, and you're gonna continue this process till you get your desired thickness. So I started doing this hair on a Saturday. So I started doing my hair on a Saturday, evening, Saturday evening. Then I went to sleep around 03 that night. Woke up the next day, filmed a video for you guys, the get to know me video. I hope you've watched it. If you haven't, I'll definitely leave the link in the description box. Then I ended up finishing my hair on Monday morning around 05. That is why I looked this crusty. And I was contemplating on whether to go to work or not, but I ended up going to work, and I just put it up in a bun like that. You see what I meant, guys, about this hairstyle not being painful at all. So I put my hair up in a bun and I went to work. And then next day I finished it up. Same Monday I finished it up, and this is the end look. I love this hair. I love it so much. I love the length, I love the color, I love how it feels. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.